guys, it's Tori. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. So today I'm going to walk you through doing a really cool project. I saw it on Instagram, and I'll find out where specifically I found it and put the link below. I think it was from a Dollar Tree, but it was so cool. So what you're going to need is skewers. So you only need one per candle, because we're going to make a candle. So, and I got ornaments from the Dollar Tree, so I'm going to use these two. And you'll need these glasses from the Dollar Tree, and these come off. So what I've already done is I took two of these and I spray painted them red. So that's what we're going to use. Find out where the center is of this, because we need to put a hole in there. So I am going to do the center. I'm going to kind of put a mark on there. And I already tried this before and it looked so cute, but it was off. It was not centered. So it's very important to make sure that you place the hole in the center of the ornament so that the candle is more sturdy. I'm going to get a candle and let's light it. And this is going to make sense in a little bit. So let's see. Okay, so I'll set that there. I don't want it to catch on fire. Okay, so what she used in the video was a metal skewer, and she, excuse me, she lit it to poke the hole in there, and I don't have one of those, and I couldn't find one. So I am working with what I already have. So I found a small screwdriver and a larger screwdriver, and that's what we're going to do. But the first thing we want to do is find the center of this, and we are going to cut it in half. Okay, so let's do that. Perfect. Let's do this. So let's light the screwdriver, and I'm using like a Phillips because it has, you know, kind of the star on it. Okay. And we are going to place this here and just kind of work it back and forth. You want it to kind of melt it a little bit, and you want to apply some pressure. Okay, so there, and let's wipe it off. Okay, and we're going to take this top off. Same with this. Okay, and now we are going to do the exact same thing to this side, or to this ornament. So now I am going to use the bigger screwdriver, because if I were to try to push this in here, it just misses. It's not big enough. So we're going to go ahead and make a hole just in the same hole. You're just making it a little bit bigger. And that is actually, that should be fine. Let's see. Perfect. So let's go ahead and put some glue in here. And I'm going to fill it to the top. This here, and just hold it for a little bit so it stays straight. Okay, and we're going to take one of these and put this through the hole. And this is why it's so important that it's centered. What we're going to do is take the glue gun and add glue in here. You want to fill it to the top, and then you're going to place this right on top. And just kind of push it down. So I found this at the Dollar Tree. Thought this would be cute, like so. So it's kind of like this. And then she just continued putting garland and decor around the candle. And that was it, guys. So I'll leave her information below so you can check out that video as well. And as always, thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you are new and you think this channel is for you, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below. And also comment below. Let me know what you guys think of this project. Is this something that you guys will make for yourselves? And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.